Symlink error when installing MySQL via Homebrew. Trying to install MySQL via Homebrew. The install seems to work fine, but I get an error. Naturally, after this I ran, which spat out So I ran it with sudo and got a cowardly refusing to brew link MySQL.
Obviously that folder doesn't belong to you. Just try with. You never have to use brew with sudo. If you do, something is wrong with your installation. Then, try the link command again.
SLHCK's answer is great, but I think it is a little cleaner if you are a member of the admin group, probably or if you are using Homebrew, to make all locations and /user/local writable to group.
If you want to visit those accident, please consider subscribing.